Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Advit. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is for small kids, playgroup kids and for toddlers. I have created in very fun and colorful manner so that they can enjoy and learn. So let's get started. So in this sheet what you have to do, there are some circle with some patterns. Okay, count and match the same set. So first look and count and check another one and match.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 start. And let's check this one again.
Yeah.
It has the same pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one match this one.
Yeah.
So let's do this one now. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So and then it has the same pack. So this one match this one. This one has same pack as this one. So
count. You have to count first.
And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them.
And which shape is that?
Triangle.
Very good. So in this sheet, what you have to do? There are two things. Okay, big and small. You have to look carefully and tick which one is big, which one is small, like that. What is this?
That's a small ball. It's a ball and this one is a big ball. So we have to take that one.
Very good. And this?
And this one is fishy.
Yeah.
So this one is smaller than this one.
Yeah.
So take that one.
Very good.
This one is moon and this is crescent moon. So this one is smaller than this one. So circle that. And tick that. And these two are
hot air
balloons and they're colorful. So this one is big than this one.
Yeah, very good. This worksheet is really good to understand the phonic and letter with the picture match. Okay, what is this?
That's an Xmas tree.
Okay, so Xmas tree starts with a
X, and we can also call this a Christmas tree as well. So Xmas tree, X.
Very good. What is this?
A sun.
Sun starts with
S, and it's bright.
S and S make sound. Very good.
Like a snake makes.
Yeah. What is this?
This one is an umbrella.
An umbrella starts with
U.
Very good.
So we'll put it up there because U is up there.
Very good. What's this?
That's my favorite thing, an apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
So apple starts with
A. Apple.
Very good. So this worksheet is for the opposites. Okay. So you have to look carefully and look other side too and match. What's this?
A happy face.
Okay. So opposite of happy face is
a sadness face.
So we have to always be
happy. This one.
Okay. What's this?
That's an empty glass without water.
That's empty. So opposite of empty is?
This is a full glass with water.
Very good.
You can see it over here.
What's this? Moon.
With a cloud on top.
Yeah. So moon. What's this?
That's a
Which
moon.
time?
That's night time.
Okay.
And this is daytime. What it looks like outside.
Bright sunny. Very good. And what's this? A cup of?
A cup of brown tea.
Okay, so tea is?
A tea is like that you're drinking tea.
Yeah, so tea is cold or hot?
It's a hot tea.
So opposite of
tea
hot
is always hot.
Yeah.
Tea and this ice cube because it's cold.
Very good. So this worksheet is very interesting. Here are some pictures. What you have to look. 3, you have to check carefully and you have to tell me which one is odd one out. Can you tell me in this?
So these two are ice lolly. This is ice lolly and ice cream. And so these one are sweet. And this one is very hot and spicy.
What is this?
It's a chili pepper. It's very hot and spicy.
Yeah.
Alright.
So which one is odd one out?
You have to take this one.
Very good.
Here's the next one. This one is watermelon and the orange and candy. So these two are fruit. And this one is not fruit.
So if this is odd one out, take it.
That is what I don't like.
And what's this?
Car, van and flower. So these two, car and van, are vehicle. And this is a part of our environment and it's not a vehicle. So
That's
this
why
one,
or odd one out. What's this?
this is rain cloud and this is umbrella and dice. So dice we're using for game and this we're using for rain. So we have to take this one out.
Okay, so you enjoyed doing this worksheet?
Yay!
Very good. I hope you like this worksheet. These worksheets are really good for their learning and suitable for the age group of 3 to 5, especially the toddlers and the preschoolers ready for the school. And if you want to download these worksheets, I will provide PDF link in the description below. And for more such learning video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Learn with Advait.
And see you with the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.